In other news this Wednesday, it's day 3 of testimony in the trial of 2 former Williamson County deputies charged with manslaughter in the death of Javier Ambler. That wrapped up. Day 3 just wrapped up minutes ago. Today, the jury watched more body camera and dash camera video of that day.
KVUE's Isabella Basco joins us now live from the courthouse downtown to break down what's happened in that trial so far. Isabella?
Well, Brian and Quita, today 2 witnesses testifying today, including Ruby Garson, who was working as an associate producer of the show Live PD at the time this incident took place. Now, she told the courtroom she was riding in the back seat of the car with Deputy Zach Camden that night. In her testimony, she describes what she remembers happening with the tasing, and she also remembers hearing Ambler saying that he had a heart condition. She also remembers seeing law enforcement officers joining the deputies. Now, the jury watched dash camera footage of the encounter. Detective Aaron Trujo, who is the lead detective on the case, also returned to testify, where the jury watched more body and dash camera footage, some of it in slow motion. Trujo testifying about her analysis of the investigation. And here's how the state questioned her.
Can you see what's happening right there? It looks like Deputy Camden is deploying a taser, and it also looks like Deputy Johnson is pushing Mr. Ambler down towards the ground. What happened there? They just picked up his right hand. Picked up his right hand to security. Correct. Right there. It was behind his back. Can you tell where the taser is? And it's somewhere in his back. In his back? Middle back, maybe?
And afterwards, the defense questioned her on her history of arresting people and knowledge of tasers.
Or have you ever been in a situation where you have to arrest someone and you go to handcuff them and take them into custody and they start to object, they start to complain, they start to feign other problems, including health problems, to try to convince you not to put the cuffs on?
Yes.
And when somebody, in your experience, is being non-compliant and resisting, and they start to tell you about why you should not put the handcuffs on, what did you do?
Put the handcuffs on anyway.
And the defense is also asking Trujo to walk through the investigation from the beginning. And day 4 of testimony is expected to start back up tomorrow morning here at the courthouse around 9 a.m. and we'll be back here for that.